Hey there lovelies, it's Adele from Crow with the Flow. Today we're going to talk about how to create these built-in scale stitches for your crocodile amigurumi. There's a bunch of different sizes and we're going to talk through each of the different sizes, but what we won't be covering today is how to make the entire crocodile. If you're after instructions for that, a pattern for that is on my website. I'll put the link in the description so you can go and buy that. Otherwise, if you just want to add scale stitches to other creations that you make, follow along and let's get to it. Alright, so you're ready to create the small crocodile scale stitch, the S scale. You're going to be working this stitch across 3 rows. With your working yarn, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now we're going to turn our work and be working into that front loop from the round before. Yarn over and pull up another loop. Now we're yarning over before we insert into that last front loop. Yarn over, pull up your final loop. At this point you should have 5 loops on your hook, and now we're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops at a time and just continue doing this process. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 until you've just got the 1 loop on your hook. That's it, you've created a small scale stitch. Now we're going to crochet the medium crocodile scale stitch, or the M scale. Again, we're going to be working across 3 rows. We're going to insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we're yarning over before we insert into that first front loop that's free. And now we yarn over and insert into that final front loop. Yarn over and pull up our final loop. And we should have 6 loops on our hook at this point. And exactly like we did with the small scale stitch, we'll yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops until we've got the 1 loop remaining on our hook. And now you know how to create a medium scale stitch. The large crocodile scale, or L scale, is almost exactly the same as the medium, except you yarn over before you put your hook in that first stitch. You work into the front loops exactly the same. And once you have worked through all the stitches, you'll have 7 loops on your hook. Once you have those 7 loops, just like before, you yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops until you've just got the 1 remaining. And that's it, your L or large scale stitch completed. The XL scale or extra large scale stitch is very similar, but we're going to be working across 4 stitches for this one. So again, the premise is exactly the same. You yarn over before every single time that you insert your crochet hook and pull up a loop. Once you've worked through all of those loops, you will have 9 loops on your crochet hook. And once again, you should have this totally nailed by now, but you yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops until you've just got the 1 loop remaining. And that's it, your XL scale stitch complete. Hopefully that gave you all the steps that you need to create these awesome scales for your crocodile. Catch you later.